Attention, employees. Today's competition will determine the most productive team. Humans versus machines. Who will win?
Awesome, let's win first place.
We've got the numbers.
Yeah, we're sure to win.
Humans team.
Let's get started, brothers.
Hooray!
Dry Orbeez.
These Orbeez have already grown. Let's harvest them, guys.
Bloated Orbeez.
Work hard, reap big rewards, everything. All the Orbeez have been transported smoothly.
Cap, we're almost done.
Wait, there are still lots of giant Orbeez. The long wait made them all grow too big.
Time out.
We've harvested a lot of Orbeez.
They're about to win. Buddy,
I have an idea.
How to build the Orbeez cable car. 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. 2. Build the cabin. Metal mesh. These cabins will help push the Orbeez to the harvesting area faster. 3. Set up the cable car. Place the supporting towers on the foundations. Connect the 2 bull wheels together. Connect to the battery box. Plastic tube. Attach the cabin to the cable. Machines team.
Our cable car will optimize this process. Let's see how this machine flips the Orbeez. Look, the Orbeez are quickly transported to the harvesting chutes.
it's time to harvest the Orbeez.
Your time is out. The competition has been fierce, but only one can win. Are you ready? So, the winner is Peter's team. We won, guys.
Fabric dyeing workshop.
Today our workshop will test these 2 dyeing machines to see who's the dyeing champion. First up, the dip dyeing machine, a classic one that works by dipping fabric straight into the bath. And the turbo dyeing machine, new tech with a rotary drum for fast, even dyeing. Are you ready, everyone? Let's begin.
How to build the dip dyeing machine.
The fabrics for dyeing have arrived.
Oh!
Red dye.
Let's run the machine. Wow, so strong. It's done.
This fabric turned out patchy in color and torn with holes.
So wrecked.
Totally 1 star.
Alright, turbo dyeing machine is up next.
Aha! Time to fire up turbo dyer. I'll put the fabric into the drum and pour the red dye into the dispenser. Look, the water's been pumped into the dyeing drum.
How to build the turbo dyeing machine. First, I'll place the back wall onto the base, the motor. Then add the motor unit to the back wall. Dyeing drum. Add the support post, and add the rest of the back wall. Now I'll add 2 plastic pipes for filling in and draining out water. Water in. Water out. Next, I'll build the left wall. Add the bracket to hold dye dispenser. The right wall. The front wall. Control panel. Dye dispenser. Blast door. The cover. Testing. White slime. Green dye. Great! The white slime has turned into green slime.
The drum spins non-stop. It will help the fabric soak color evenly. Let's flush the water out. Now, it will switch to heating mode. High pressure and heat will dry the fabric fast and keep the colors lasting longer.
Wow, the fabric is quite hot and beautiful.
The fabric color from our machine is so deep and sharp.
So the champion today is the turbo dyeing machine. Now we'll try the special dyeing method, tie-dye. I've got a tied fabric bundle here.
A small coastal town.
My fish baskets are full. Where's the fish cart?
Oh no, so pitiful.
Transporting fish like this is too risky.
Is there a safer way, Mr. Mayor?
I'll use the city's fund to build a Skytrain.
How to build the train suspended railway. Number 1. Build the locomotive. Add the seat. Add the control levers. Add the roof. Number 2. Build the train cars. The train will need 2 cabins. Locomotive. Car for engine. Car for battery. Number 3. Build the engine block. Hanging roller. The engine. Now I'll place motor and hanging roller into this first car. And add the battery box into this second car. These guide rollers will help the 3 cars roll smoothly on the rail. Testing. Now let's see how our Skytrain goes down this steep slope and handles this tricky curve.
Let's see our brand new Skytrain for transporting fish, powered by futuristic science. This train will deliver fish faster and absolutely safe.
So from now on, no more accidents.
I want to see it run, Mayor.
Alright, let's run our Skytrain.
Wow, the Skytrain just flew past the train with no problem.
Look, incredible.
The fish delivering train has arrived.
Yeah, please load up this pile of fish for me.
All the fish are loaded. Next stop, ahead. Can you please carry all 5 crates of fish for me? Oh no, the train is full. We need to add more cars. Next stop. Next stop.
Now, there are no more accidents in our modern city.
Someone call an ambulance.
Good morning, off-road fans. Today, our garage unveils the brand new beasts. The Crewhawk, a compact and agile truck for every terrain. And Red Bear, a powerful car built for the toughest challenges. Nothing can hold them back because they both were built to conquer every challenge. But we'll put these 2 models through tough tests to see which one proves stronger. Now let's start! Number 1, testing the engine power. Both cars will face a tug of war on slippery cooking oil to prove their raw strength. Which one will win?
3, 2, 1, go!
Looks like Blue Hawk is losing ground here.
Go, Blue Hawk, go!
Red Bear, you can do it!
Look, Blue Hawk is fighting back. So intense, both cars are fighting for every inch. Red Bear is turning the tables. Red Bear is holding Blue Hawk across the line.
Knew it! Red Bear is bound to win!
This is the power of Red Bear.
Next, both cars will be tested on their ability to overcome tough terrain. But before that, I'll upgrade this losing car to make it 10 times stronger.
Upgrade my car quickly. How to build the claw wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. The motor. The battery box. Build the seating area. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the claw wheels. With this claw-style wheel, the car can hook onto the ground tightly. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing. How to build the grid wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the grid wheels. This wheel is based on a square grid frame, making it grip better. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing.
Number 2, testing with sticky terrain. In this round, both Red Bear and Blue Hawk must take out a long track, completely covered in slime. It's really super sticky. Let's welcome the comeback of Blue Hawk. Will it survive this?
Unbelievable.
It's so strong.
It's getting close to the edge.
Almost there.
Blue Hawk wins. Now it's Red Bear's turn to show its super strength.
Go ahead, Red Bear!
Come on, Red Bear. Oh no, I'm stuck.
No! Red Bear seems to be having some trouble. We'll take a short break for some quick adjustments.
Guys, fix my car fast.
Now it's the second chance for Red Bear. Red Bear is blasting through the slime.
Red Bear fighting!
Go, Red Bear, go.
Red Bear wins. After the rounds, the final result is clear. Red Bear is our today winner.
Welcome to the site. Everyone get ready. Each of you will handle a section. Let's finish it together. Time to dig the foundation.
All right, I'm with you.
Oh yeah! Woohoo!
How to build the excavator. Step 1. Build the arm assembly. Add the linear actuator. Add the bucket. This linear actuator will help the excavator arm move up and down. Step 2. Build the truck body. The motor. Add the tread sprocket wheels. Add the track links. Next, I'll build the cabin for the truck. Connect to the battery box. Step 3. Connect the arm to the body. Testing with Orbeez.
You're both doing great. Keep it up.
We'll be quick.
We're right on schedule. The foundation pit matches the blueprint. It's time to pour the foundation concrete. Bring the concrete truck into position. Let's start.
Starting to pump concrete into the pit now.
The concrete looks smooth and perfect. Great job. Now we can start building the walls.
All the bricks are ready.
Hold it tight. Get ready to lower the brick block.
Aha!
It's amazing. Next, we'll install the glass and finish the tower.
All of them are intact, not a single crack.
Great, move on to the west side next.
The final glass panel is in position, ready to secure.
Everything fits perfectly. We did it. This will be the new symbol of the city.
Hooray for the construction team.
Thank you all for your support.
Congratulations, Alex.
Thank you. This is the achievement of the whole team. Thank you, everyone. This is a victory for the whole city.